In an unusual turn of events, I'm off camping and the sun is shining. For how long, I don't know. Well, that was a nice little wander around Rebel Head Viaduct, and now to go find the campsite, which I looked up on Google Maps, so I think I know where I'm going. This is a road. This is fucking amazing. So, I've arrived at Falls Park in Ingleton, which is on the Ingleton Waterfall Trail. And if I haven't put it up on the video already, the views are fucking amazing. So that's the view from the van. Yet have a look around facilities and the rest of the place, because I've just been mesmerised by this little part of the world. It's beautiful. Well, it's July, and I believe I said yesterday in a strange turn of events it wasn't raining and I was camping. Looks like Mother Nature's put that right. It's been raining heavily overnight, and it is a very grey and overcast day today. Still worth a wander about because it's still very pretty, even when it's moody. Trying not to fall over the edge. So if you're staying at Falls Park, this is 5 minutes away. Literally start on the Waterfall Trail, and no sooner have you rounded the corner and there's this. After the last fall, which I don't know if you can hear me or not, about 2 minutes further along, there's this one. Permanently terrified of dropping the camera. The third rather impressive waterfall. So I'm making my way back via, when you look at the Waterfall Trail map, there's an alternative route which steers away from the gorges and the waterfalls, but appears to sort of travel alongside on top, which is a steady climb to get up to the top, and then it's relatively flat. And much easier going on the legs than all of those steps. So, I think I'm almost back to where I started. Just spin you around. Well, that's rather a satisfying walk. Lots of pretty waterfalls. I've come back, and two other campers that were here have gone. So at the moment, I have the place all to myself. Falls Park is effectively halfway around the Ingleton Waterfall Trail. So I started the half which goes back into Ingleton, but I bugged out about halfway down that half to return on the alternative trail, and that made it a very easy walk, not too taxing for a knackered old fart like myself, and very rewarding with all of the pretty sights. Now it's time to see what's on the memory card of all of the apparent amazing photos I just think I've taken. I need to work out they're all out of focus or shaky. And now I am van bound for the rest of the day because it is pissing it down and it's really windy. So I've just had to put the pop top down. Weather says it's like 18-20 mile an hour winds, and I think it's a lot more than that because I've been out in much stormier conditions and the van has not been blown about like it's being blown about right now. Time to settle in and get some Netflix on. Well, it was a roof down, howling wind, shit ton of rain night last night. But I have realised this morning how much I appreciate the extra space with the roof up. But the wind's not quite as bad, so the roof is back up. Comfort and stretching is allowed again. And now I'm ready for a day I don't know what to do with. So on day one, there was a view. Day three, yeah, we're just in the clouds. It's really nice. I mean, I know the weather's shit, but it is a great setting. Even shit weather looks dramatic. So I think it's going to be a day of just watching weather. 5-minute walk to the bins and back. And I'm drenched through. Everything's wet. Like, everything is soaked through.